Why does your scanner show the P2654 engine code? What does it mean? P2654 is a diagnostic trouble code for B Rocker Arm Actuator Control Circuit, High Bank 1. This error code typically indicates that the vehicle's ECM or PCM has detected a voltage reading from the variable valve timing actuator that is higher than the manufacturer's specification. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low or dirty engine oil, failed actuator or solenoid, wiring issues, faulty oil pressure sensor, PCM or ECM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.